Hello friends, this video on relations and functions part 39 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 38. So a given binary operation again start with identity element E. If there exists an element A, that element is said to be invertible with respect to the operation. If there exists an element B such that A star B is equal to E and that is equal to B star A. And in that case we call B is nothing but inverse of A. So for invertible binary operation to exist, there should exist one number B that is A inverse, and that should satisfy the condition that is A star B is equal to E. E is nothing but identity element and that is equal to B star A. We'll take some example. So we have to prove that minus A is the inverse of A for addition operation on R, and 1 by A is the inverse of A for multiplication operation on R, where A is not equal to 0 obviously. So if you see minus A is the inverse of A, it says. So if you say minus A plus A, we are talking about addition operation. This becomes 0. And if you add other way around also, A plus minus A, this is also 0. So this is true for all R. You take any real number, you say minus A plus A, that is equal to 0, or you say A minus A, that is also equal to 0. Thus we can say that minus A is the inverse for A for addition operation. Similarly, if you take 1 by A and you multiply with A, this becomes 1, and that is also equal to A into 1 by A. So if you see, 1 by A is nothing but inverse of A for multiplication operation R, where A should not be equal to 0. A is equal to 0, this becomes infinite. Correct? We have to show that minus A is not the inverse of A natural number for addition operation, and A is not the inverse of A for natural number. Logically also, if you see, if you take minus A and if you add with A, you get 0. But 0 is not even natural number, so this doesn't exist. Correct? So that means minus A is not inverse. For 1 by A, for multiplicative, I am talking about, this was for addition. For multiplication, I am saying 1 by A is not inverse of A. So if you take 1 by A and if you multiply with A, what you get is 1. But it is saying A is not equal to 1. If A is not equal to 1, let's suppose A is equal to 7, 1 by A will become 1 by 7. And 1 by 7, is not part of natural number. So you can say that since this is not natural number altogether, how can it be a inverse? It can't be a. Let's take one more example. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.